Meme, you having fun? Bouncy, bouncy. Watch your arm, Meme. Watching your rear tire in the rear view. Yep. Hey, Ren.
We coming up and we just moved the wall, but it looks a little more filled in.
Make sure you keep your hands
It
in.
might be easier to take that wall, but I mean, I made it through, okay?
It might need a spot.
It's on your tire though, yeah, back out. Get yourself over more. No, I mean you could if you want to do that, but the chance you fall in.
How come he took his steering?
There
I'm
we
gonna
go.
turn into it. Thank you. Okay, you're welcome. Bring it up. Straight.
No. Yeah, Ren, watch your head.
Pretty dug out. Let's see how she does.
Yeah. I always wondered about carrying the driver's side tire along the wall.
Yeah, you can.
But you got to take it way up there, it looks like. At least get over that rock right there.
It's too wet.
Down in Tucson, I mean, coming out of nursing school, I jumped right into NP school, plus I was going through a divorce. And so,
What's the fun one right there? programmable.
Okay.
So you come over here, you got a
This little welded thing right here in front of you.
See the metal thing right here?
Yep. See, right there. Yeah. So that's all the parts people broke. Yeah, telling my other buddy Mike got through this. That was interesting. Hey Chris, you want to spot it? Just make sure I don't do something stupid, please. She's like, they called me asking for money? I'm like, basically. My one hand is stronger than both of yours. Yes.
I grew up, my uncle was a Marine.
Uh-huh.
He did 3 tours with a very strong guy. He always used to say, this one finger is stronger than the whole body.
Yep.
So far as a kid, what are you trying to do?
Tried to prove him wrong.
Yep. Never could, man. That man was so strong. Good job, man. Thank you, buddy.
I had to laugh one day. It was like 6 months after I tore my bicep. I was joking, me and Ray were joking around, and I told him, I was like, my left arm is stronger than both of yours combined.
Yeah.
What did he do? He hung off my left arm.
Yeah, of course.
I just picked him right on up. I'm like, see, told you. You see the cave bear? You missed it. More boulders strewn up here. We're getting there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Hey Chris, when you make this right turn here, stay far right. You're gonna see this kind of middle, looks like a big razorback in the middle. You want to stay to the right of it, and even if you can, hold your left driver tires on it. Otherwise, you fall down onto your oil cover.
Dad, I'm gonna get
Just stay in here.
It's fine, though.
You're actually probably safer in this thing than you are out of it. Oh shit, I see what you're talking about.
Too far left there.
Yeah.
Razorback kiss as well.
I see that, yeah. Well, May, you wanted the hard stuff. Here you go. Yes, sir. You just hold on and enjoy the ride, Bear Bear. Hold on to your pants.
Hold on right
Yeah,
here.
hold on right here. No. On you. Yep, there you go. Hold on to your own shoulder straps.
That's the best way to hold on tight.
Yep, that gives your hands something to do. And what do we never do?
That's right.
Exactly.
That's right.
Yep.
There's another good.
Yep, this is. All right, man, watch your face. It's all right, baby. Do you need a new pair of pants there?
Good job, buddy.
So keep in mind, you can lay this thing on the side and it's not going to hurt you.
Oh, you just hold on to your belt.
Yep. Well, it was laying on the rock.
Yep, it was there.
He pivoted it on the body armor.
Doesn't count. There.
Yeah. Arrgh. Hey, we're gonna go drive right by him.
Yep.
There's a baby calf in front of us.
You need to get out of the way, buddy.
Yeah.
Come on.
This is a bigger cow than you are. I always wonder, like, what those things think when they see you driving through.
Damn, that's a big cow.
Yeah, exactly, right? Watch your face, man. Like, they're gonna be like, that's a strange looking animal.
Yeah.
Yeah. Trail. This is just a short rock wall. It's only like 3 feet tall.
Yeah.
Yep. Us boulders.
Pretty much all this trail is a lot of road.
Yeah. That's why they call it rock crawling.
Yep.
go. See those big boulders in front of us? We're gonna go over them. Nope. There's a hole there. Oops. Yeah, you're in a hole on this side. Right there should be good. Yep, do that. That's what you call the rocker panel pivot. I said, that's what you call the rocker panel pivot. What we just did. All right, man, you want the hard shit? Here you go. They are in the vehicle. They just happen to be over the door in the vehicle.
It's okay. That's what it's for.
Yeah.
Make sure Chris is okay.
For this thing. And there's the waterfall. That's probably what, a good 12 feet tall?
More.
More.
Am I able to get out of this one?
We walk right up it, buddy. It's
Yeah.
not that hard.
So you got to keep in mind this
In
thing.
case you need some winch over there.
Yep, no, I got you.
Okay, the next spot is where you might need to be winched, but if you angle your feet right, you'll be fine.
What was that?
Tire placement. Stay that way. More that way.
I think my hair got worse in that one trip, Dad.
It's all right. We'll take care of it when we get home.
That's in a few hours.
There, you see that black and yellow bag? Yep, right underneath there.
So you need to be on this before you start turning. So back, get your ass in over. Yeah. Back up. Okay, now go passenger forward. I'm gonna try to get you to climb this. Okay, you're up. Okay, straight. Up, up. Straight, up. Okay, so this side you have to cradle the both of these to get over it because you're gonna belly.
How big are his
Get
tires?
up here.
42 inches.
Oh, so they're bigger than our old ones?
Oh, yeah.
The ones that we able to fit in?
Uh-huh.
They got to fit in these?
Yeah. No, we had 40s. And these are 42s. All right, you guys stay in the rig, okay?
Am I fine?
Yeah, you're fine. Actually, sit down.
You can't see ya.
Nope, not at all. Phone's overheating.
Park this way. Hard passenger.
The seat will stop it.
That's all you need to do.
Yeah.
You can come back to it.
Big waterfall at LOD. That? Nice.
The rest of it's the water, just rock
This, get out, yep. Get out. Okay.
And then from here, it's just a bunch of this stuff. You have
I'm gonna just hold this right here until he needs help. Oh God, that feels so good.
It's 10:35.
Yep. So yeah, we'll be done before noon. We'll be back at the trucks before noon.
Yay!
And then
I can still play with Allison.
then we'll go get lunch in Florence, and we'll probably be home before 3.
I still play with Allison.
Yep.
Could all of us get
Oh, you
lunch
got it.
together?
Yeah, we're going to.
Yay. I like
Yeah, Mike's gonna show us this cool little spot out in
You
Florence.
want
We'll
me
go eat lunch.
to come spot you?
He's like, hang on, I'm driving.
You like my shoes?
Teachers.
Thank you.
Uh-oh.
They're Converse.
I know. You're blocking the Jeep.
And she got enough.
Exactly.
Well, turtle.
Your feet is just moving and spinning and you're not going nowhere. It's like a turtle on their back.
But one of my best friends has a turtle.
I know.
Andy has a turtle too. A water turtle.
And he's got a water turtles.
Yes. My swimming.
So what's the turtle's name?
They never told me. They got it because their lizard died.
Thank you, though.
But Allison's turtle is Jelly Bean.
Yeah.
She named it. Yeah.
Jelly bean, not jelly roll.
Jelly Bean. And also, Jelly Roll is not named Jelly Roll. He's Belly Roll.
Ah.
There's a bee in there.
I thought his name was Jason.
Who's Jason?
Jelly roll.
I need to use the restroom.
Okay.
So do I, but I've been holding there for 3 hours.
Hashtag girl problems.
It looks like you're number one. I know, he's number one.
Yeah, he's like, oh yeah.
It's way too slow.
I'm gonna hook up this D-ring over here.
Yeah, you're good.
Driver's side.
Tell him to hurry up. My arm's getting tired.
Yeah, his arm's getting tired.
His arm's getting tired. You gotta reconnect the winch. You gotta re-engage it.
God damn it. Bro, what's that?
Hey, we've all done the same thing.
God. Dad,
Yep.
I need to use the restroom.
Do you want to get out and go potty?
Yes.
All right, go ahead.
baby.
Someone make sure Esme don't steal all my hot Cheetos. Ren, I'll buy you new ones. You ate my entire bag last time.
Here you go, man.
You gave me it.
Ren, go pee.
No, I didn't. I said you could have some and you ate the entire bag.
Right there.
Right there.
Stop. Trust me, we ain't gonna look. You don't got anything we haven't seen already anyways.
Except for me.
Pull forward. Connected.
will say is video does not do this trail justice at all.
Video does not do it justice at all.
None. Like, that little ledge right there looks like it's 3 feet on the video camera. It's really like 6 feet tall. So take everything you see on here and multiply it by 2, and that's what it's really like. Whee, sky. Alright. Well, that's the end of LOD basically.
Cheers.
Alright, mate, watch your face. Yep.
Sorry guys, lots of trees. We're gonna get to it.
Ren, keep your face covered.
Hey man, be careful.
Yep.
You're okay?
Yeah, you're okay over there, Bear. It's us over here. Alright, Ren, watch out for the cactus on your side.
There it is. I see it.
Yep. That was one thing I did like about having doors. I would just roll the windows up. Then I turn the air conditioner on. You're okay, Bear.
Good job. It's okay, it's not the backpack. That's got all kinds of stuff just in case you get dehydrated and stuff. What's that? Okay, okay. Yep,
Oh, don't worry about it.
nope, I've got more. That's what they're there for. Okay. This from the top, right? From the top?
Yeah.
Good job. Thank you for telling me.
Yep. We're good though, Bear. Those things are literally about a dime a dozen.
I can't. Dad,
Just hang on to it, Bear. Put it around, wrap it around your wrist. Put it around your wrist. That's actually the real angle. I'm trying to keep this like flat with the ground,
Yeah, it's not easy.
as the Chief articulates. So if we're at like a 45-degree angle, we're really at a 45-degree angle. It's the beauty of low center of gravity. streets, it's almost as hairy as the trail itself.
On the side though.
Yep.
Good thing for lockers.
Yeah.
Sorry, buddy. I should have told you. I'm sorry. You okay?
Okay, Bear?
Good job.
All right.
Good job.
Good. Better your arm than your eye again. Better your arm than your eye again. I think next time I'm just going to bring a football helmet for you. We'll get you a linebacker helmet.
Perfect.
Yep.
I'll be very soon.
Oh, yeah. Whee.
My hair!
What's wrong with your hair?
It's flying around.
Oh, I kind of expected that from me, not from you. I did. Yep, harness check.
Right? It's there for it.
If I have to, I will follow these things to keep me away.
Hold on to your straps, Bear.
Okay. Hands are on strap.
Watch your eyes, buddy.
Watch your face, Bear.
I'm trying to protect you, okay? Okay, you're safe. One more. Gotcha. You're safe. Good job. Watch out, man. You're safe.
Yep.
I'm just gonna say safe.
Okay.
We'll let you know, Bear. The rain, you see the bushes coming up?
What?
See the bushes coming up on the left?
No.
Okay.
Okay, then watch out. Watch your eyes.
Watch out,
buddy.
Bear. All right. May, watch your face. May, watch out for the cactus. Brandon, keep your feet in. Actually, you know what? Might be a good what I did? Ren, put your left foot on this part that goes up and down. There you go.
That might help some.
Yeah. Well, it allows, it angles him more towards the center by doing that. Yeah. Just keep in mind, if this thing starts to tilt too far to the left, get your foot back inside. Okay. Yep. Should we call you Mesquite May? That's actual Ajax mine right